How to fix DoorDash login error. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix DoorDash Dasher login error. Now, if you are facing some login error while logging into your DoorDash Dasher account, then that might be because of the internet issue. So you want to switch between Wi-Fi and data and check if the problem is fixed. If it is not, then you just want to make sure that you are connected with a stable internet. Now, if internet is not the issue, then the second thing you want to do is tap open your settings, then scroll down and tap on the apps option. Now, from this list of applications, you want to select the Dasher app. Now, here you want to tap on the storage option. Go ahead and tap on the clear cache option and clear the cache of this app. Now you want to open the application and log into your account and check if the problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the DoorDash Dasher app. To make sure, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for the DoorDash driver app. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once the application is updated, any bugs will be fixed and this login error will also be fixed. However, if it is still not fixed, you can simply uninstall the application. Then you can install it again from here, and in this way you can fix the DoorDash Dasher login error. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.